Hey guys, this video will be a press-on nail flower set that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be using Apres Gel X nail tips. These nail tips are made out of gel and they just adhere with some builder gel. And here's the stand. I finally got the stand. I ordered them from AliExpress. I got 2 of them, which work really amazing. And I am using the mounting putty from Target. It is the Scotch brand. You can definitely use any other brand, but they help and stick on very well. And if you would like to see the video on the nail set I have on my left hand, which are like broken ice type of nail tips I use, I will link that below as well. So the first step you definitely want to do whenever you work with Gel X tips is to take off the shine from the nail tip. I am gently just filing on top, just so whatever product I put on top will adhere without any issues. And you do not need to use a base because these are made out of gel, so if you use gel polish, they'll adhere right onto there. So then I cleanse them with some alcohol to dehydrate the nail and to clean any of the particles that are on the nail. And this is the foil paper I'm going to be using, and it is from Daily Charm. I will link it down below. I'm also going to be using the Eat Light gel polish in this really pretty pink. I'll list it down below. The polish in the black bottle I do not end up using. I do pick that color, I apply it on the nails, and then I change my mind. I do that all the time while I'm recording. I decide I want to change my mind. So what I'm going to be doing is applying 2 coats of this pink on 2 of the nails. It's going to be the thumbnail and it's going to be the ring fingernail. Like I said, I choose what I'm going to do at the moment. I know kind of the storyline I'm going with and designs, and then I just decide at the moment. And I am liking the way of doing the press-on nails first, full-on design, and then prepping my nails and applying my nails. Usually I would apply them on my nails first and then do the design, the details, and all that stuff. But I do like this better because I can change my mind so many times before I actually adhere them to my nail. And then I'm going to go in with the gel bottle, the color Sienna, one of my favorite burgundy colors. It is such a beautiful burgundy color, and it does have really small specks of bright red in it, so when the light hits it, it sort of looks gold or very deep red, but the lighter red specks in there just is so beautiful. It's a really beautiful color for Christmas or fall. And for the pinky nail, I decided to kind of go in a angle, go slanted, and then leave a little clear part in the nail, and then do the free edge of the nail pink, the same pink polish that I used on the 2 previous nails. I did not put that part in the video because I forgot to press play on my camera, but it does show that I already applied on the pinky. So then after I go in with 2 coats of that burgundy color, now I'm going in with my Daily Charm foil gel. And it is just a really sticky gel, and I apply it to all the nails that are going to have the foil flowers on them. So you apply this very thinly, fully to the nail or wherever you need it. Cure it for 30 seconds, and then as soon as it comes out of the lamp, you can put on the foil. You always want to make sure the foil is facing upwards, so the picture is facing you, and then that's the way that it will grab onto the nail. If you do it the other way, you won't be able to get the design. They're specifically made so that the foil design is facing you. And I just pressed down because I wanted the flowers to be on the clear part of this nail and the pink, and then I pull off, and there is the flower design on that one. And then I'm going to go into the thumb, and since it's a lot bigger nail, I just want to get the sides. So I want to do the corner towards the cuticle, and then I want to do the corner towards the free edge as well. And the best tip I can give you with this is first you want to make sure you get it all the way down, and then you want to rub. You can use your fingers, which I like because the heat of your fingers tends to help it a lot more. You can also use a very small free lint paper that you press down. You can also use paper towel. I mean, anything that helps you. But for me personally, my fingers are the best so far that help. And excuse my hair that's in frame. This nail is a clear nail, so all I did was put the Daily Charm foil gel on it and then put the foil flowers on top of the entire nail. And I take my time. This is a little bit fast forward, but I do take my time. For the rest of this thumbnail, I try not to lay the whole foil down because it'll grab the rest of the picture, and I honestly just want the tip, the free edge area, and a little bit up the side, but I don't want to fully make this nail flowers. So that is the outcome. That's how they came out, and they are ready and done. Now I'm just gonna top coat them so that I can apply them on my hands, And I like to top coat both sides, run the brush one way and then run the brush the other way, because sometimes I tend to put some of the gel will slide down towards the cuticle area, and then that's a pain in the butt when you're trying to apply them. So you just want to be very extra careful and do it as thin as possible. Something else that you will notice on the video is that I put crystals on the burgundy full nail, which is the middle finger, and on the pinky, and then once I applied them on my fingers, I did not like how it looked. It was too bulky. I'm not really a crystals type of girl. I'm more of a glitter, full glam, and a bunch of different colors. But when it comes to crystals and having to deal with my daily things, cooking, cleaning, all that stuff, they feel bulky on myself. So I really try not to put too many. So you will see that difference there. I do change it up. I just simply clip them off with my nail clipper. I buff it very gently. I clean it off. And then I apply nail glue, just like my previous video where I show you how I apply my crystals. If you want to see that, I'll link it down below. And then I just apply a top coat after that. And here I am just prepping my nails, pushing back my cuticle with my straight cuticle pusher. And I do this to all 5 nails. Okay, as soon as I am done, I'm going to go in with my medium grit sanding band, and I'm just going to clean off my nail plates, make sure that there's no cuticle attached to my nail plate, and just get the rest of my nail ready, take off the natural shine. And then after this, I'm going to go in there with some alcohol and dehydrate my nails as well as clean them. And then I will go into putting the gel base and showing you guys how I apply the nail tips. So now I'm applying the Enailcouture base on my natural nail, curing that for 30 seconds, and then I'm going in with the gel bottle clear builder gel, and I'm just simply, as you can see, I'm just applying it where I think my nail tip will be, and then whatever's left in the brush is what I'm applying on the nail tip. I've done this for quite a bit, so I kind of have a good estimation of how much gel I will need. And then I put it as close as possible to my cuticle, and I gently press down and go right into my lamp. I really try my best not to move it, not to do anything else. That's why you don't see the full clip. And like I said again, I'm putting the base, which is from Enailcouture, gel base, any gel base you can do. And then I go in with my builder gel, which this one is from the gel bottle, and I gently put it in the back of the nail. Put as much or as little as I think, and then I apply it to my nail closest to the cuticle, and I gently press down, and then I go into the lamp. So this is exactly what I do, all these steps to all the nails, and it works perfectly fine. They last me 3 to 4 weeks. With this length, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get more tired of them faster and cut them down, or just remove them and do something else. But they normally last 3 to 4 weeks. It all depends on how hard you are on your nails. But I really do like this, especially being a nail tech, having so many things to do. This is super easy and super quick for yourself, and for anybody else that's doing them at home. And it looks like you took so much time to do them and you really didn't. So this is a great technique. I really hope you guys do like this video. Like I said, I did change the gems. This is the outcome. This is how they actually look on myself. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you liked the video. Don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions or anything else you would like to see. Thanks guys. I will see you on my next video.